to really start getting you thinking about developing a clear career goal or a list of career options, consider taking a career assessment. Now, I have a couple handy resources for you for that. It's a career tutorial video that I developed called the Occupation Card Sort. If you look in the description below this video, you'll find a link to it. The Occupation Card Sort activity, it's starting to get you thinking about what are called work values. Those are things more advanced than just looking at a job posting, more advanced than just looking at a specific career path. But work values are the kinds of intangible things that you look for as you consider a certain job. So things like, for a job that you are considering or a company that you are considering, what is their level of support? Such as, if you were to work there, what kind of support would you receive from your direct supervisor? All of that is talked about in that Occupation Card Sort career tutorial video. If you want to check out that Occupation Card Sort career tutorial, if you're watching us here on the YouTube version of our podcast, if you look in the description below this video, I'll have a link to it there.